Alex here, and a question I've been asked is what's the best way to go about editing the mass of a polyline massing that you've created? And there's a couple ways to go about doing it. First thing you should do is hover your mouse over the mass as such, and then you can hit the tab key to toggle the selection you are making between the block, the building, or the floor of the mass. So you want to get it to the building to select the entire created massing. And then you can go about changing some of the settings. For example, I can change the name to building 1. I can change the floor count, and let's make it 4. I can change the floor height to 12, and I can change the width to 65 feet. And I can classify the function as residential. Now that I have all the base settings configured to the way I want them to, what I can do is go in, select the building, and begin to add different parts to it. And adding parts just creates separate blocks within the entire building itself. So now what I can do is go in, select these different blocks or these different parts, and I can start to edit them a little bit more. So I could make the floor height 12, change the floor count to 9, and then I can change the space use to whatever I want them to be. So for example, I can make this offices, and I can select this block, change it as well to 7 stories, change the floor height to 12, and I can change the space use of this to retail. And now I have more of a developed geometry and more of a shape created within the polyline building itself.